हाय एवरीवन गाइस, आज के इस वीडियो में आप देखने वाले हैं कि किस तरीके से हमारे स्टूडेंट्स अपनी पर्सनालिटी को, अपनी क्वालिटीज को किसी ऑब्जेक्ट से कंपेयर करने वाले हैं. सो फास्टन योर सीट बेल्ट्स एंड हियर वी गो.
Okay, guys. So when I get to know about this particular activity, so it's about relating ourselves with an object. But I don't think for myself that which quality I contain. So I want to ask from audience. Aditi. Acha, energetic. You supportive. Why you are not talking about me? Why, are you talking about an object? Are you talking about an object which has these both qualities? Like, I really want to ask why you are talking about fan, which is energetic and which is supportive too, which helps in the summer seasons and which can change their energy throughout just a whole button. And do you know the most interesting thing? That these particular three things which are the main fan, do you know, without this circle, without this blaze, the circle is nothing. Are you talking about this fan? Because I don't believe that I consider it to be like this. But as you are talking about this particular fan and I have to compare myself, then I seriously contain these all qualities. Do you know what? That this particular ball also contain one more thing, and which I want to tell you. That is this small thing. I don't know what do you call it. Condenser. But I call it motivation. Because if you have observed that whenever in the summers it run fast, then the speed of the fan somewhere get low. But once you change it, it's recharge them like himself, and then it start to rotate fastly. And that's what my qualities are. That is supportive, energetic, and to motivate myself by myself. Thank you.
So it's about to compare myself. I'm just like this ball. No, it's so big. I'm just like this podium bhi bada hai. I'm like bored. Oh, yes, this is something like me. I'm just like this water bottle, this spray bottle. As I create delusion whenever someone sees me. Whenever someone sees at first sight. Oh, it's a cap. Oh, are you in college? This how. And you know what? Sometimes I make silly mistakes as well. The mistakes where everybody loves, like clumsiness as well. Like just like live example. Okay, but this girl, she's just has a clear thought like this bottle. Because if I take something in the water bottle, then you will able to see that what is inside. Same as the clear thoughts she has. Whatever she is confronting, that would be visible on her face. That yes, she is going through this kind of thing. She is very much happy or she is somehow emotional. So she is just like that. And if I talk about more, then the feeling or the emotion she consists, the emotion she have, the emotion she has, this. And how much express? But aggression she has. But how it shows? She doesn't show. Why? Because it comes up like, or it ends up like cry ke aasu. But don't laugh. Because even though this would be very common, but still you haven't in your life. Thank you so much.
An unexamined life is not worth living. This is not words of mine. This is the words of Socrates. And you know that words is still work for me, and after 1,000 years also it is going to be reworked. Do you know how? Let me tell you. What is this? Do you believe in that your life is already predestinated? How many of you? If you are, let me prove it wrong. See, this is the beginning of life where something is already written over it. You know what is this? But after a time, this is empty. This is empty to the core, which means in our life, we have something by doing nothing. Might be our luxury things, might be our parents, or might be our whatever we having till now. But one moment in a life, we had thought that what we are actually want, on that particular day, your backgrounds never matters. Your parents never matters. Your past life is not matters. What is matters the present situations. So this notebooks always tells me this is that every one page there is a new life, and this every new life you have a new learning, and never allow anyone else to write your own story. For somehow let it be to your parents and some others, but after a moment, take your own pen and write your own destiny. Thank you.
The more you will press it, the more it would be the same. It is something that never gets affected by the harder you are pushing it and by the smaller you are dabbing it. Because this is something that you can find it even थोड़ी छोटी है और थोड़ी सी मोटी भी है. You know, whenever people are stressed, they come to me and they come to this ball because they want to relieve their stress. And at the last, because I don't want to express many qualities as I have a lot, so the list would be endless. But at the last, I want to say that जब हंसती है तो पता नहीं चलता कहाँ गई.
Okay, my true self is locked inside me, waiting to be found. My life experiences have hidden my true strength and quality as well. But the challenges that I faced, those challenges discovered another parts which shows the real potential that I'm carrying within myself. Just because the shape that I'm carrying, I cannot be fit in each one of your lives and each one of your mentality that you are carrying. That's why everything that you are seeing around me, it's looking like I'm fake and I'm wrong. Just because I've got a different life experiences and other things, that's why I cannot be unlocked in your mind. That's why you're thinking I'm wrong. Just because I've got another things and I'm amused by myself, you think I'm wrong, but once I got the another chance and another things within myself, you got to know the real potential. Just because I cannot be fit in your doors. I'm just like this hidden key. Thank you so much.
Hello guys, my name is Kunal and I am going to compare myself with this. Why? Because is it of black color? No. But why? Because it has empty head? No. Means it has empty head, but for a reason. Because it has got acceptance and calmness in itself. But if I remove the vision of this world, which this world gives me, and have those moments which I want to live, I'm seeing blur. But if I sit alone with myself, so I can see clear. Because then I remove all those particular things which was blocking my vision. This means that my biggest strength is when I sit alone. Even whenever I have to, whenever I am with someone, I provide them a safety and all. I cover their all mind. So that's why I would say that I am a helmet. Thank you.
As winter is coming, so you must be using blanket. So today I am going to compare myself with the blanket, which provides comfortability and relax. When you cover up yourself with the blanket, it seems that blanket is protecting you from winter. So even I have that quality within me. If you ask one of my closest person, so you can know about me. And the second, it provides you warmth. It means that blanket provides you warmth. It means that person, like that quality is within me. Because whenever someone talks to me, whenever I give my best to someone while conversation, it means that person is feeling that warmth within them. So thank you so much.
Okay, so yesterday I was thinking like what object can define me, and I saw a stick because that defined my body. So I didn't choose that, don't worry. I chose the object which I like the most. I I chose a football because we both like goal in our life. Football also like the goal and I also like the goal. And the common thing, and I'm the football who didn't score very well in her life, and I'm that kind of football who is very messy, and as you know, only the Jory know the value of the diamond. So if you want to know the value of me, you have to be the Ronaldo. So I am a football. Thank you so much.
So hello everyone, how are you? Now as you can see that I am carrying an empty water bottle. Inside it is nothing. But right now I am going to say some of the qualities of mind. Okay. Kindness, importance, showing love to others. Now it is filled with it. Now if I open this water bottle, so all the qualities of mine is going to come out of that. But I have to keep in this bottle because I want to show to the world. I cannot waste this energy on that particular thing. Now I just want to convey that the qualities inside this bottle says a lot of things about me. As like me, like I am very kind person. I think that, I don't know about you, but I think that I am. So this is what I want to convey, that please do not waste your energy such kind of thing, or do not show others that what you want, what they're expecting from you. Just be yourself. And this is what the quality which I am having. Thank you.
अभी मैं क्या हुआ? So hello everyone, and today I am here with the qualities that I have. So I have a lot of qualities, and which cannot be seen by this glass, specs, or the, you can say, chashma. So that's also the qualities of mine, that you have to wear it. So this is like this, and you and the glasses, this is I have the multitasking qualities which can be over the eyes, over the head, and in your backside like this also. So you can be thod the bunk. So these are all my qualities. Thank you so much.